Hello, welcome. In this section, we will discuss about client-side performance testing using WebDriver plugin for JMeter. It means we will be installing a WebDriver plugin to the JMeter and we will do the client-side performance testing using that plugin. In this lecture, let us discuss and understand what exactly is a WebDriver plugin in the JMeter. WebDriver plugin for the JMeter allows client-side performance testing by automating web browsers. It supports various browsers such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, etc. And this WebDriver plugin is built on Selenium WebDriver. It is built using the Selenium WebDriver. Let us understand why we need to use a WebDriver plugin in the JMeter. What exactly is the problem it is solving? JMeter by default is a protocol based tool. It means it sends the HTTP request and it does not execute the JavaScript, CSS or images. But modern web applications are heavily dependent on the JavaScript. The problem here is traditional JMeter samplers, that is HTTP request sampler, do not measure the client-side performance. For that, solution is to use WebDriver plugin, which helps us to test the real-world user experience by loading the pages in the actual browser, measuring how long it takes to respond. Basically, by using this WebDriver plugin, we will open the web page in the real web browser and measure how long it takes to load the page, because traditional HTTP requests do not execute the JavaScript, CSS or images and do not measure the client-side rendering performance. To measure this client-side performance, we use this WebDriver plugin. Using this plugin, we can measure the client-side performance such as page load time, JavaScript execution time, image load time, etc. We will continue the further discussion on the WebDriver plugin for JMeter in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.